Guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you the new tires that's on the Jeep right now. So here they are. The Jeep now has 38-inch super swampers on it. As you can see, I had to do a lot of cutting, but they actually fit pretty good. They don't rub that bad. I really like the way these look. So now that we're running this big of a tire, probably gonna have to do something about the axles. I'm gonna see how long they hold up, but I'm gonna look to do a rear axle swap here coming up soon. So let me know what you all think about the Jeep on the 38s. Alright guys, I know you guys want to see the new tires I bought. So here they are. So here is the new tires. These are the 38.5 Super Swamper Boggers. I think these will do really good on the Jeep. As you can see, there's a lot of tread on them. And you can see how big these knobs actually are. Alright, so let's pull the Jeep around. We'll get these mounted. So here's the Jeep with the new tires. I think that looks really good. Well guys, let me know what you think about the new Boggers. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.